Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm going to be making our golden understudy konjac silk road spaghetti. It is unconventional, so we're mixing things up from the traditional sauces or any toppings you might find in Italian pastas, and we're taking it to the Silk Road, spicing it up a little bit and making things interesting. I'm really excited to try this recipe, and I'm sure you are as well. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Here's our NuPasta Spaghetti Konjac noodles. They happen to be gluten-free. You want to drain them and give them a good rinse before cooking with them. And we have some curly kale. Some people are sensitive to the texture, but with my method, it won't tickle your tongue as much. Trust me on this, skeptics. Chop your kale into small pieces. Give your kale a nice massage to soften up the leaves. We're going to peel up our carrots and dice them up. A small dice works perfectly for the speed of cooking in this recipe. Microplane your garlic and your ginger. I'm slicing up some fresh cilantro that will be for a finishing touch. I'll be using some turmeric, hot Madras curry, cumin, and white mustard seeds. And I'll slice up some fresh red chillies. Adjust the spice to your taste. Get the oil in your pan hot. Add your ginger and garlic paste and get it fragrant. Briefly cook it. Add in your sliced up chilies. Add your curry powder, your white mustard seeds, cumin, and your turmeric. Briefly cook it, stirring it around. And we're adding in our diced carrots. Get them mixed up with the spices. And we'll add our coconut cream. Coconut curry is a regional thing. Coconut milk-based curries developed in tropical regions where coconuts actually grow, such as southern India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Maldives. Feel free to add more spices and coconut cream. Add in your chopped curly kale. The wetter, richer, creamier curries are more prominent in the central and southern regions of Thailand, whereas the drier curries are more prominent in the north. Now we're adding in our konjac noodles. All we need to do is mix everything up thoroughly and we'll be good to go. They really don't need much time to cook. And we'll add some lime juice. Fresh lime juice, of course. And it's plating time. It's that time again, everyone. It's time to try our golden konjac Silk Road spaghetti, or unconventional spaghetti. Gotta love the spices. It feels very satisfying with that coconut cream, I must say. It worked out in the end. I was scrambling to figure out what to do because I couldn't get the other ingredients in time for my Indonesian dish I wanted to make. Warming, earthy with a little bit of brightness from our lime juice. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets. This is perfect if you've had a long day, you don't really feel like doing any heavy lifting in the kitchen, but you want to mix up some flavors. You don't just want plain old spaghetti with tomato sauce, and make your spaghetti unconventional, especially with the konjac noodles rather than the wheat noodles. And they really absorb the flavors so nicely in this dish. Be sure to stay tuned next week, Monday, where I share a new Indonesian recipe with you. I'm sure you'll be just as excited about it as I am. So tune in Monday, 12 noon Eastern. If you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so. Be sure to hit that bell notification icon so that a notification pops up when a new video pops up. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.